Hi, hello, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video I'm going to explain some of the expression which are inbuilt in the After Effects, so it will be useful for motion graphics and as well as to work on any videos or VFX. So let's start the video. So I'll just create a new composition, so it is of 10 seconds. You can keep whatever the frame rate that you want, then just click OK. So once you're done, so I'll just take any shape. So I created one shape which is a rectangle shape. So I'll just bring the anchor point to the center of the shape, press Ctrl Alt Home button, so it will come to the center. Then so open the position. So you know how to work with the position. This is right and left, and this is up and down, right? So in the same way, if you hold Alt button and if you click on the stopwatch, you'll get some option where you can type your expressions. So hold Alt and click on the stopwatch to get this to type the expression. So what you need to do is, first I'll work with the wiggle expression. It's an inbuilt expression, like WI. So I'll just click once again, WIGGLE. So wiggle expression, press enter, it automatically it will show you. So you need to give two values, that is height and width value. Like how much wiggle is nothing but shakiness, random shake. Okay, so to do that, so you have to give the height and width value. So for example, I will give 10, 5. So let me play the video. So you can see the shape is shaking randomly. So if I increase the value over here around 20, so if you see now, see the shakiness is fast. So if you give more value, the shakiness of any subject, it will be fast. Okay, so it's not only that you can give the expression only for the shapes or such things. You can also give for the images, videos, whatever the things that you want. So this is wiggle expression. So the same expression I'll just copy over here, Control C or Command C. So I'll just remove the position expression by holding Alt and again click over here. So it will remove the expression. So what you need to do now, I'll go for the rotation. I'll go for the rotation and I'll hold Alt and click on the stopwatch. So it will again, you will give the space, type to where you want to give the expression. Again I'll place the same which I copied. Now I'll press enter. Now if I play this, so you can see, so like this you can rotate something like this. If you want more rotation, you just give the value like around, let me give 60. Okay, so the rotation will be more. See, that's it. Understood, right? Like this you can apply the rotation for also. In the same way, you can apply this wiggle expression for the scale, for the opacity. Suppose if you want to apply, make it an glitch effect or something, like light glitch, something like that. So for that you just go for the rotation, or sorry, T is for opacity, R for rotation. So T, you'll get the opacity, hold Alt and click over here. Again paste the same expression. Now you can see over the light flickering kind of expression. So let me increase, like around here 50. See, right, it gives more value. If you can also increase over on the left side value. So like let me give here around 30. So if you see in this, so you can see, right, so you'll get more kind of light effects. So like this you can work with the wiggle. Understood, right? So now I'll show you for the rotation. I'll just remove the expression over here, T, hold Alt and click on stopwatch. Now better I'll show with the, I'll take another shape called star. Okay, I'll just create a star. So the center pivot is on the not on the center of the shape. Make it center by pressing Ctrl Alt Home button. Now what you need to do, hold rotation, hold Alt button and click on the stopwatch. You can type the expression. Now I'll show you the expression called time into let me give around 300. So it is rotating in a clockwise, right? So it is rotating in a clockwise when you give a time into 300. Okay, suppose if I give a minus value, so what will happen? So it will rotate in a anti-clockwise. So like this you can rotate continuously in a loop, so using this time expression. Okay, this is time. So now I'll show you something like, okay, let me add the time expression for this. Time into around 300. Okay, so now what I'll do means I'll select the shape. I'll hold shift and I'll press the P to open the position with the rotation. Click on the stopwatch. Now I'll come around like in 1 second forward. I'll just move it this over here. I'll just come here and I'll just move it over here on this keyframe. So it is rotating over the, it is rotating on the towards the right, understood. So now I'll come another 2 second forward, sorry, another 1 second forward, then I'll copy this keyframe and paste it over here. So what happens, it will goes and it will come back, right? Yes. So now what I'll do means, for the position I'll hold alt and I'll click on the position. So now what I'll do, I'll type LOOP, loop out, then again just press enter. No need to type anything over there. So what will happen means, just you see the video, it will be keep on looping. What these 3 keyframes are there, it will be keep on looping. No need to copy this keyframes and adding over again and again. No need to do that things. So what you just need to do, create an animation, then hold alt and click on the stopwatch, then just type an expression called loop out. So there are two expressions are working. One is for the rotation, that is time into 300, that is rotating on the clockwise continuously in a loop, and another is for the position. First we have to create an animation like this, then you have to apply the expression. So what will happen, the same animation will be working in a loop. Okay, suppose if you want to make it slow, so all you need to do is select the keyframe, hold alt button and just move it a little bit further. So what will happen now, it will become slow, right? So it will be in a loop until our timeline. So hope you understood how to work with these 3 expressions. One is wiggle, another is time, another is loop out. Okay, we'll see you on the next video. Thank you.